वेलकम टू द सपना होमस्कूलिंग चॅनल. नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी रवींद्र. आज आपण क्लास 8चा सायन्सचा 11 चॅप्टर ह्युमन बॉडी अँड ऑर्गन सिस्टम याची एक्सरसाइज बघणार आहोत. ओके, तर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन काय, फाइंड आउट माय पार्टनर. ओके, म्हणजे जोड्या लावा. तर ग्रुप ए अँड ग्रुप बी. हार्टबीट्स काय असतात, तर 72 बीट्स पर मिनिट हा हार्टबीट्सचा आपला रेट आहे नॉर्मल. आरबीसीचा 50 to 60 लॅक क्युबिक मिलीमीटर. ओके, आणि WBC 5000 to 6000 पर क्युबिक मिलीमीटर. ओके, ब्लड डोनेशन 350 ml आपण एका वेळी करू शकतो. म्हणजे वन टाईममध्ये आपण 350 ml कोणीही ब्लड डोनेशन करू शकतो 18 इयरच्या अबाव. नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर 37 डिग्री सेल्सिअस. फॅरनहाईटमध्ये ते 98-99 असतं, पण सेल्सिअसमध्ये 37 डिग्री. आणि pH ऑफ ऑक्सिजनेटेड ब्लड इज 7.4. ओके, आता क्वेश्चन 2, कम्प्लीट द फॉलोइंग टेबल. रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम आणि सर्क्युलेटरी सिस्टमचे ऑर्गन्स आणि त्यांचे फंक्शन सांगायचे. ओके, तर आपण आधी रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टमचे ऑर्गन्स बघूया आणि त्यांचे फंक्शन बघूया. तर नोज काय, फॉर इनहेलेशन अँड एक्झलेशन द एअर इज फिल्टर्ड अँड मेड लिटिल वॉर्म वेन ब्रीथ पासेस थ्रू नोज. ओके, फ्रॅग्स, कॉमन पॅसेज फॉर फूड अँड एअर लीड्स टू ट्रॅकिया अँड इसोफगस. विंडपाईप, ट्रॅकिया. Okay, that takes air to lungs, bifurcate into two bronchi. Lungs provide space for respiratory gaseous exchange. Alveolus, actual gaseous exchange by taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Diaphragm, by contractions and relaxations it makes breathing movements possible. सर्क्युलेटरी सिस्टमचे ऑर्गन्स कोणते कोणते, तर हार्ट, मस्क्युलर पंप दॅट कॅन सेंड द ब्लड थ्रू आउट द बॉडी. आर्टरीज कॅरीज ब्लड अवे फ्रॉम हार्ट टू ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी एक्सेप्ट फॉर पल्मनरी आर्टरी. ऑल अदर आर्टरीज कॅरी ऑक्सिजनेटेड ब्लड टू सप्लाय ऑक्सिजन टू ईच अँड एव्हरी सेल. वेन्स कॅरी ब्लड टू हार्ट except for pulmonary veins. All other veins carry deoxygenated blood from all the body cells to the heart. Okay, blood capillaries, each important vital organ, okay, is provided with capillary network. Exchange of oxygen, nutrients, hormones, vitamins, etc. takes place throughout the capillaries wall. Such useful substances are sent towards the cells and waste material are taken from the cells. Blood cells, various functions depending upon the type of blood cells. RBC carrying oxygen and carbon dioxide. WC, soldiers of the body, produces antibodies and fight against germs and of diseases. Platelets carry out important function in blood clotting. Plasma, many proteins present in the plasma which carry out definite functions. Plasma also gives fluidity to the blood. Question 3, draw neat and label diagram. This is the respiratory system diagram. Okay, मित्रांनो, याचे सगळे जे व्यवस्थित नाव वगैरे तुम्ही द्या. अल्व्हेओली, डायफ्राम, ब्रॉन्क्युलिस. ओके, इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द हार्ट. ओके, तर हार्टचा हे इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर आहे. इथे आर्टरीज, वेन्स सगळे दिलेले आहेत बघा. ॲरोज नीट काढायचे आहेत. ब्लूचे ॲरो सगळे हार्टकडे जातात आणि रेडचे ॲरो हार्ट आउटकडे जातात. ओके, एक्सप्लेन विथ द रिझन्स. ह्युमन ब्लड इज रेड कलर्ड. ओके, द रेड कलर ऑफ ह्युमन ब्लड इज ड्यू टू हिमोग्लोबिन विच इज रेड कलर्ड conjugated protein with iron that is present on the red blood cells. Therefore, it looks red. Upward and downward movement of diaphragm occurs consecutively. The breathing movements are possible due to contractions and relaxations of the diaphragm. The ribs muscle also help in these movements. When the ribs rise and diaphragm is lowered at the same time, then there is a decrease in pressure of lungs. This causes movements of air into the lungs at the time of inhalation. On the other hand, when ribs comes back to their normal position and diaphragm is risen, then pressure on the lungs increases. This causes movement of the air out of the body through the nose in the form of exhalation. These movements are possible only due to consecutive upward and downward movements of the diaphragm. Blood donation is considered to be superior of all the donations. Blood cannot be manufactured by any artificial chemical process. The only way to obtain blood is by donations of the blood from a live donor. Blood is needed at the times of emergency. The life of person can be saved if timely blood transfusion is given to the needy, victim or patient. Since such donations can save a valuable human life, it is called superior of all the donations. Person with the O blood group is considered as universal donor. Person with O blood group does not have any antigen on his/her RBCs. The O type blood thus cannot cause clotting reactions in the body of the recipient. Such a person with O blood group can donate blood to any person having any blood group. Therefore, they are considered as universal donor. Food must have limited amount of salt. More salt in diet means more sodium ions. This extra sodium salt causes rise in blood pressure. Such condition is called hypertension. This condition can be dangerous and fatal in some cases. Therefore, one must keep control over sodium content of the blood. Food. Answer the following questions in your own words. Explain the functional correlation of circulatory system with respiratory, digestive and excretory system. Answer. Three systems with respiratory, digestive and circulatory always work in coordination. Digestive system helps in breaking down complex food molecules into simple soluble nutrients at the end of the digestion process. The soluble nutrients are absorbed in the circulating blood in the valley of the intestine. The blood carries these nutrients to each cell during its circulation. The respiratory systems help the oxygen from the air to be absorbed in the blood. This process takes place in alveolus present in lungs. The oxygen is absorbed in the blood and through hemoglobin it is taken to every cell of the body. At the same time, the unwanted carbon dioxide produced in each cell is given out in a process of gaseous exchange. The soluble nutrients and chiefly glucose is metabolized with the help of oxygen producing energy. Thus, all the three systems bring about coordinated functions to keep the body alive. Explain the structure and function of the human blood. Answer. Structure, that is components of human blood. Human blood is fluid connective tissue consisting of blood plasma and blood corpuscles suspended in it. Plasma is the fluid part of the blood which is pale yellow in color. It is slightly alkaline in nature. It has 90 to 92% of water, 6 to 8% of proteins and 1 to 2% of inorganic salt. It contains proteins such as albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, etc. There are inorganic ions such as calcium, sodium and potassium. Blood cells. Blood cells are mainly of three types: RBCs, WBCs and blood platelets. They are produced in the red bone marrow. RBCs are small, circular and inoculated cells. They are full of hemoglobin, which is essential in transporting oxygen. RBCs are red blood cells which are 50 to 60 lakh per cubic millimeter. Their lifespan is 100 to 127 days. WBCs are large, nucleated and colorless. They are of 5 subtypes with neutrophils, basophils, eosinophils, monocytes and lymphocytes. They are 5 to 10,000 per millimeter of blood. Platelets are very small disc-shaped blood cells which are 2.5 to 4 lakh per cubic millimeter of the blood. Functions of human blood. Transport functions. Oxygen is carried via blood from lungs to cells in various parts of body, and carbon dioxide from tissue to lungs. Nutrients. Simple nutrients like glucose, amino acids, fatty acids are taken up by blood from wall of alimentary canal and transported up to each cell in the body. Waste materials. Nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, creatinine are released by tissue into blood, which carries those to kidney for excretion. Enzymes and hormones. Blood transports the enzymes and hormones from the site of their production to the site of their action. Protection. Antibodies are produced in the blood and they protect the body from microbes and other harmful particles. Thermoregulation. Body temperature is maintained constant at 37 degrees by vasodilation and vasoconstriction, maintaining the balance of the minerals like sodium and potassium in the body. If bleeding occurs at the injury, platelets and proteins called fibrinogen of the blood forms a clot and seal the injury. Functions of the blood cells. RBCs. With the hemoglobin, it carries out transport of respiratory gases. WBC soldiers of the body produces antibodies and give immunity to body. Platelets helps in blood clotting. Question C. Explain the importance and need of a blood donation. Blood can never be synthesized artificially. There is no substitute for natural blood. Every healthy person possesses about 5 liters of blood in his or her body. In case of hemorrhage, that is blood loss, the blood volume may reduce, which can result into threat to life. Moreover, the loss of blood should be immediately taken care of. Otherwise, it may cost a life. Therefore, blood transfusion is very crucial in case of victims of accidents, patients of surgeries, or mother who suffer from blood loss during childbirth. Okay. Some diseases such as thalassemia, blood cancer, etc. also need regular transfusions. Therefore, blood is always needed in many such conditions. Blood donations is the only option for such transfusions. Explain the differences. Arteries and veins. Arteries. Arteries carry blood away from the heart to the tissue of the body. Veins carry blood from the tissue of the body back to the heart. Arteries are located deeper within the body. Veins are usually located superficially beneath the surface of the skin. Arteries are thick-walled. Veins are thin-walled. Arteries do not have the walls. Veins have the walls. Arteries. Arteries would generally remain open if blood flow stopped due to their thick muscular layer. Veins could collapse if blood flow stops. Except pulmonary artery, all the arteries carry oxygenated blood. Except the pulmonary vein, all the veins carry deoxygenated blood. Arteries are more muscular than veins, which helps in transporting blood that is full of oxygen efficiently to the tissues. Veins are less muscular than arteries but contains walls to keep blood flowing in the right direction, usually towards the heart. There is a maximum blood pressure in the arteries. There is a minimum blood pressure in the veins. External and internal respiration. Internal respiration. External respiration. Intake of air from the outside into the body and releases of air from the body to the outside is called external respiration. Exchange of gases between cells and tissue fluid is called internal respiration. External respiration occurs between cells and the external environment. Internal respiration occurs only in the cells of the body. It involves processes of inspiration and exertion. It involves the movement of oxygen from blood into the tissue fluid and movement of carbon dioxide from tissue. External respiration involves breathing and gaseous exchange. Internal respiration involves neither breathing nor gaseous exchange. Oxygen combines with the hemoglobin in external respiration. Chemical reaction occurs in the cells to form energy. Which health parameters of blood donors should be checked? Blood donors should be healthy. He or she should have good hemoglobin content. The RBC and the WBC count should also be normal. They should not carry any parasites in their blood, such as malarial parasites or dengue virus. The donor should not be HIV positive or should not have any infectious disease. He should not have any addictions such as drugs abuse or alcohol consumption. Fill in the blanks using appropriate words given in the bracket. Hemoglobin, alkaline, diaphragm, red bone marrow, acidic, voluntary and involuntary. Okay, so RBC of the blood contains hemoglobin and iron compound. Okay, now B, diaphragm is present between thoracic and abdominal cavity. Cardiac muscles are involuntary. pH of the oxygenated blood is alkaline. Production of the RBC occurs in red bone marrow. Now question 9. Find odd one out. A, O, K, A, B and B. The K. All the other are blood groups. Now A, O, A, B and B are the blood groups. Blood plasma, platelets, blood transfusion, blood corpuscles. Blood transfusion. All the others are component of the blood, but blood transfusion means changing the blood. Trachea, alveoli, diaphragm and capillaries. Okay, capillaries. All other parts are parts of respiratory system. Okay, capillaries exist throughout the body. Neutrophils, globulins, albumins, prothrombin. The neutrophils. All others are proteins present in the plasma. Read the following paragraph and identify the disease. Today, her child became 1.5 years old. However, the child does not seem to be healthy and happy. It was continuously crying and gradually becoming weak. It has shortness of breath. Its nails have become blue. Now the answer is, the heart of the child is not functioning properly. Bluish nails show lack of oxygen. Thus, the baby may be suffering also from respiratory problems. Question 11. Your neighboring uncle has been diagnosed with the hypertension. What should he do to keep his blood pressure within normal range? Hypertension has many causes. Try to find out what is exact cause. Is it lack of exercise, obesity, lots of fast and junk food consumption, over intake of salt, mental tension, etc. He should visit a proper physician and take prescribed blood pressure control medicine. He should never miss a single tablet. He should avoid salty and preserved food. He should practice yoga and meditation. He should also undertake some stress management techniques. Now the project. Collect information about various modern treatments on heart diseases. Dear friends, if you like our video, you can donate us anything, whatever you want. Okay, you can scan this code. Thank you very much.